I came across a picture of this house somewhere over the internet and made it my personal project to model it. Just this picture of the front with no additional references or blueprints, the rest were left to my imagination and eyeballing. Since I wanted a model with a very clean topology, I mean an all-quartz topology with a few n-gons, I chose to model it the hard way. During the modeling, there were some turnarounds and runabouts as well as interesting processes such as how I made the roof, how I made the railings, how I placed the ceiling lights and many more. I want to share with you a time-lapse video of the entire modeling and texturing processes. I'm also giving out the finished 3D model for use in your projects. There will be links in the description below for both the time-lapse video and where you can get the 3D model. If you are watching this on YouTube, there will be a link in the upper right corner and also at the end of this video for the time-lapse. Subscribe to my channel, smash the notification bell so you don't miss the next uploads. Get yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy the time-lapse video.